Hi there, welcome back to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. What's the one thing that every room needs? A mirror. You'd be surprised so many times when I go to clients' homes to help them decorate, they have no mirrors, only in the bathrooms, that's it. Mirrors can help so much with your room. If you have a room that's dark or small, mirrors are great for that too. Let me show you some ways I've used mirrors in my own home. Mirrors are a great way to make a focal point in your room. They multiply the pretty things that you have in your room, and they also reflect your chandeliers. Here in my living room, I've used a beautiful mirror with a heavy gilt frame. It helps to make a focal point over the fireplace. This mirror I found at an antique shop, and I think it's really pretty over this old cast iron fireplace. If one's good, two's better. Mirrors also can be used to frame things. You can put them on either side of a doorway, a sofa, or a bed. Using pairs of mirrors on either side of something can also help to add symmetry and balance to your room. Here in my den, I've used a pair of mirrors to flank either side of a doorway. I have a pair of black chests, and above them I've used beautiful ornate chinoiserie mirrors. Here in the master bedroom, I've used a pair of mirrors to flank a canopy bed. When you're flanking a large item like this canopy bed, the bigger the better on mirrors. The thing I use mirrors for the most is to add space in a room. If you have a small room, mirrors can definitely make the room look larger. Also, if you have a narrow hallway, mirrors can act to widen it out. The larger the mirror, the greater this effect will be. Here in the hallway, I've used a large mirror that helps to widen it, and it also adds light. At the end of the hall, I have an East Lake Pier mirror that helps to reflect light from the kitchen. Mirrored furniture is a great way to add interest to your rooms. You can also mirror walls and even put mirror over mirrors. Here in the dressing room, I've used a mirrored Hollywood Regency console table, and above it I've mirrored the wall. And then layering on top, I've got a Venetian cut glass mirror. This is the mirror upon mirror effect that I think is so pretty. I've also added some mirror frames to the table. I think all these mirrors give this room a romantic feel. Mirrors don't have to be formal. Whatever your style, you can find mirrors that will complement your room's decor. There are finishes that range from rustic woods to distressed metals. I call this the caravan room. It's a sleeping porch that's on the upstairs of my house. It's done in a British colonial or Ernest Hemingway eclectic style, so it's definitely on the more masculine side. For this room, I've chosen a mirror that has a textured leather frame. It's still large, but it has a more casual vibe. So even if your style is not formal, you can still use mirrors. Even though this room has a lot of windows, because of the tongue-and-groove walls, it's still a dark room. So having a mirror helps to add light to the room and acts as a window. Finally, for the ultimate effect, you can mirror entire rooms and ceilings. Here in the master bathroom, I've used a mirror over the tub, and a mirror over the sink, and I also have an antique mirrored linen cabinet. But the mirrored ceiling is what gets everybody's attention. So when you're decorating your home, don't forget about mirrors. They're not just for vanity. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notifications bell. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.